Guys, we all know the upper class people, and we all know the middle class people. But did you know about the useless class? Yes, it's a new group of people that you or your kid may be part of. Trust me, this video is worth your time. I learned about it by reading this book. Let me explain. See, in the world, 90% of people that can work have a job. And based on how much the job pays, they are in one of three classes: upper, middle, or lower class. But in the future, a lot of our jobs will simply disappear. For example, take the taxi. Right now, we have millions of taxi drivers, but most cars in the future will drive themselves, just like this Tesla.
No, you don't need to do anything.
No speed, no speed.
If you want to go,
Yes!
It's self-driving!
No hands!
No hands!
But I gotta pay
Look, Mom, no
attention.
hands.
And because of this technology, at some point, we will not need a human to drive this car. It's much safer for a robot to do it. And this is how millions of taxi drivers will be out of a job. And you didn't hear that from me, you heard it from the author himself.
Hi, my name is Yuval Noah Harari, and I wrote the book 21 Lessons for the 21st Century. Every year, about 1.3 million people die in traffic accidents around the world. Autonomous vehicles might end up cutting that number to nearly zero.
Travel agents, McDonald's staff, or even airport check-in staff will also be out of a job. In other words, we will have so many humans and not enough jobs to give them. Machines are taking over, and if you don't know how to code, it's gonna be really hard to get another job. So millions of people will be unemployed and unemployable. This sounds depressing, but please hear me out. We build machines not to make life harder, but to make it easier. And when machines do all the work for us, we can spend time doing what we love: traveling, creating, and building families. But the real question is, when you don't have a job, how do you make money? Well, this is the difficult part. If you trust your government to take care of you, then you have nothing to worry. In the future, the government will give you a universal basic income so you can live comfortably forever. The useless class will just have fun. If you don't trust your government, then you better learn how to code or how to make videos fast so you can get a job in the future, because there is a risk that you will be unemployed, unemployable, and broke. This is a future no one wants to see. I think you get it by now. The glass is half full, half empty. But the idea is very exciting. In the future, humans will not need to do boring work for money. They will only work for fun. They will create music, they will create videos, friendships, and families. The useless class will have the most fun. Let the robots do the work and let us do the living.